In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your personal PayPal account to Jotform. Whether you're looking to sell products, collect donations, or set up subscriptions, integrating PayPal into your Jotform will streamline payments and provide ease of access for both you and your customers. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Jotform and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the specific form you'd like to add PayPal to. You'll see an option labeled Edit Form. Clicking on this will take you right into the form builder, where all the customization happens. Now inside the form builder, locate the option called Add Form Element. Once you click on it, you'll see a section dedicated to payments. Under this category, you'll have a choice between PayPal and PayPal Checkout. Simply drag and drop your chosen option right into the form you're editing. Next, the magic happens in the payment field. Click on it and then select Payment Settings. Here, you'll need to enter the email address linked to your personal PayPal account. This is crucial as it ensures that payments go to the right account. You'll also want to configure a few other settings to fit your needs. Choose the currency you want to accept, such as USD. You'll also need to determine the payment type, whether you're selling products, collecting donations, or offering subscriptions. If your goal is to sell products directly through Jotform, you'll need to further configure these options. Hit the plus add product button to start. Here you'll fill in your product details, which includes information like the name, price, and a brief description of what you're selling. Once all the details are filled out, don't forget to save your product. Before concluding, it's important to understand some limitations involved with using a personal PayPal account. With personal PayPal, you cannot accept credit or debit card payments from users who don't have a PayPal account. Additionally, there are fewer transaction features compared to a PayPal business account, such as the lack of advanced reporting and recurring subscription capabilities. Because of these limitations, personal PayPal accounts are best suited for simple payment needs like donations, straightforward sales, or small-scale operations. And there you have it, a straightforward process to link your personal PayPal account to Jotform. By following these steps, you'll enhance how you manage transactions, making payments simpler and more efficient for you and your clients. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.